Hello and welcome. LTI tool settings can be configured during first-time setup of the tool and changed afterwards. In this video, we will explain the tool settings and their effects on tool behavior. LTI tool version. Tool version can be set to Legacy 1.1 or 2.0 or Advanced 1.3. Tool name. The name of the instance tool name can be set to any value you desire. This is only for internal use. Enrollment duration. Enrollment duration will determine the amount of time a user will have access to your tool after registering for the first time. Enrollment period. The enrollment period will determine during what period a user will be able to view the learning object, SCORM. It can have both a start and an end time. Setting a start time or end time is not mandatory. Maximum enrolled users. When set to 0, there is no limit. Any other value will determine the maximum number of users that is allowed to register to this specific LTI tool. This number can be changed at any time. Roles. Currently, the platform only supports the student role. If you wish to utilize a different role, please let us know. Secret. The secret will be generated by default, but can be changed at any time. It is also possible to use the same secret for more than one LTI tool. Grade synchronization. Grade synchronization can be set to yes or no. This will determine if the external system, LTI consumer, will receive grades from the learning object, SCORM. Completion prior to synchronization can be set to yes or no. When set to yes, it will only push the grade when the learning object is set to complete. User synchronization. Some LMS support user synchronization. This setting will determine its behavior. Usually a user is registered to a tool when the user opens the tool in the LMS. When using synchronization, a scheduled task can enroll, register, or unenroll, delete users automatically. Please note that after unenrollment, a user's results will no longer be available in the Linqur platform. Thanks for watching.